Model, 65-plate Nissan NT400 Cabstar 2.5 dCi 136 PS flatbed chassis. Cab needs turbo. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 108,352. MOT, the 29th of October 2024. Engine, 2488 cc YD25, E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, this still starts and runs really well just underpowered. The turbo is not spinning at all. Straightforward, easy repair. Engine is brilliant, nice easy job on this one. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork.